Do you know, one of the ways you can score the maximum in IELTS speaking test is by using idioms. Have a look at the public version of the IELTS speaking band descriptors. To get a 7 or 7 plus under lexical resource parameter, you should use idiomatic language naturally and accurately. Why idioms, you may ask? The answer is simple. Idioms add spice to your speaking. They add the color, metaphor, humor or sarcasm which is really required while speaking, so that it makes your speaking effortless and attractive. But most of the test takers mistake idioms for proverbs, those heavy, non-literal, figurative expressions like all that glitters is not gold, action speaks louder than words, or beggars can't be choosers. These phrases, they have a moral lesson in them and they are better suited to a specific situation, and that is why these are not commonly used by most native speakers. Idioms, on the other hand, are simple and natural sounding phrases. For example, I was pretty taken aback to meet my childhood friend in the mall. Did you notice the idiomatic phrase I have used here? Yes, you guessed it right. Taken aback. Taken aback, which means surprised. Taken here is the verb while aback is adverb. So the combination becomes that of verb and adverb. Okay, let's try another example. It's been a week Jenny is not attending her classes. Looks like there is something up with her. Did you notice the idiomatic phrase here? Come on, guess it. Yes, that's something is up. Something is up, which means something is not right. The combination I have used here is that of adverb and preposition, something and up, and together they make something is up. One last example. Even though my phone has cost me a lot of money, I must admit that it is worth every penny. I'm using it for the past 3 years now without having any problem. The idiomatic expression I have used here is worth every penny, which means something is worth the entire amount paid for it. And the combination is that of adjective plus determiner plus noun, worth every penny. Did you also enjoy listening to these idiomatic expressions like I did speaking them? Surely you did, right? So does the examiner. Not only these expressions are simple but also natural and very effective. And the best part is they can be used in everyday English speaking. Like I have just used another idiomatic expression, the best part. But wait, that's not all. You must use these idioms fluently and accurately. By this I mean, if you take a pause to think for an idiom, or if you use an incorrect idiom in a sentence, then the examiner is not going to award you a good score. Why? Because you failed to use that idiom naturally and fluently as well as accurately. So that is why your score will go down. So I hope this video must have busted the myths you had regarding idioms, and if you liked the video and found this helpful, do like, comment and subscribe our channel for informative and amazing content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and all the very best for your IELTS preparation.